Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, medical professionals are calling out I don't know, viewers and subscribers. Yes, them are call out I don't know. I don't know's recent statement. I know him try to make it look like, oh, him just a concerned fan, a concerned friend. No, viewers and subscribers, I don't know is trying to attach mental health stigma to Vybz Kartel name. Yeah, he might try to say, oh, the teacher not mad yet. The teacher look like him a mad now. No, medical professionals, viewers and subscribers are saying that if an individual has concerns, then those concerns should be put or voiced through the proper channels, in which I don't know is not attempting to do. And they say for a fact, they know the penal system has mental health practitioners who provide care for patients or persons in their facilities, and therefore the appropriate referral should be made. The healthcare professional said, I do not think a public outing is the best thing to do. It carries with it high levels of, I'm just telling about, stigma without going through the proper process and investigations. And also artist manager and music consultant Richard Roach believes there's nothing viewers and subscribers about the post being made on Vybz Kartel's page that should call for people to have concerns of the artist's mental state. He says, as the lyrical confrontation and calling out of artists on social media has become the norm, and a Vybz Kartel first do it, themselves at the same time I do the same thing, and I say, oh, Vybz Kartel I do it. I call up the teacher name. I notice when them call the teacher name, there's always in defense, them claim. But when the teacher is in defense of someone else calling him name, them still I say, oh, because him is a giant in the game, him not supposed to call nobody name. Now there's been a shift over the past couple of years. There's been a decline on platforms to showcase that confrontations, you know what I mean? And of course, you have artists flinging jabs at each other through music in an effort to maintain that mainstream appeal and to stay relevant. But one of the main platforms holding up was Sting. That lyrical confrontation is one of the only places where people could go and actually, you know what I mean, perform in that kind of settings and people could decide a lyrical winner. I don't know and Roach are on the same page as it relates to Kartel being leagues ahead of his, you know what I mean? That's the other artists in the dancehall space at this point in time. So I would say this. We agree with Sonia saying that Vybz Kartel is a lyrical giant. But what you do to put out that statement, no, that was wrong of you. And medical professionals are saying that you are completely wrong, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, him completely off. Because at this point in time, you can't use the facts in a dancehall music. An artist that says something else but another artist, and you have to that make them mad. You're mad long time. A long time now you mad. The way I'm telling you how you mad. You say Addy, the head get lick off, and I tell people say you say body, the head get lick off. And even though it sound very similar, it could have been either one. The fact say you put that in your music and have it so ambiguous for years. So you say, yeah, you that talk about another artist too. You that call up people name too. You didn't mad. You're probably still mad now. Maybe a song where you put out called Bad should have been, maybe the beef will be changed for him, I don't know. But at the same time, this is not how you do it. If you really had concerns, that's how you made it appear on social media. This is not the way that you do that. So healthcare professionals are pointing out that this is not a sincere post. You troll the teacher. Did he? Yeah, troll the teacher. And yo, people are saying, yo, why am I disappointed in that? You say, no, I'm disappointed in the fact that you have chosen not to focus on music as an artist, but rather on your social appearance and platforms like IG and Snapchat. And on these platforms, you make wild, outlandish claims of being the best. And when people react or say, yo, but you're not the best, then you're upset. You see somebody tell you, say, yo, oh, Diddy, if you're going to make music, and oh, you get outraged on the person's statement. Me I say, yo, then why you so offended? All mother talk dropping night, and then to the teacher make a post and you make be a post about it. Me not understand you, Diddy. You then need to check out your mental health. Come see you rasta your head and you're a rasta. Yeah, and that might be a spiritual choice. Big up you, they make a spiritual move. But you know the something go. You're a standard, you wear the Gucci there. Let me tell you this. Sizzla Kalonji knows a Gucci I make how long, you know. Rasta not dress certain way. Okay, but on them know say Versace I make clothes long time. But you know why? The man them make them clothes there. You know them and Rasta no good. So when you see one locks up on the head, and I put on them whole heap of, well, they gonna talk about Coco Chanel, cause you know what I mean, Miss Coco Chanel, no one don't even know Miss Gabrielle Coco Chanel was a female. So they not talk about Coco thing there. But when you go Versace and you go, you can't go Moncler. But when you go Versace, you go the Louis V, you go the Dolce and Gabbana. No Jamaicans, I don't even know who Dolce and Gabbana. We don't know who them two man they be. No people know. But that's off topic. As I said, maybe people should check your mental health. Because some things I may hear you talk, some statements I may hear you make, some songs I may hear you put out. And then this recent statement you make, it's like you don't even know which genre of music you do. It's like you don't even know say he's a dancehall artist. It come like when you are called people name actually bad mind, really and truly bad mind. Because the teacher point out say your lyrical confrontation doesn't necessarily have nothing to do with me respecting or not respecting an artist. Because a part of dancehall music, I might not like that song in particular. And maybe I like that song so much more counteract it. Ladies do it all the time. When the man them put out a certain song, especially Vybz Kartel put out certain song, females always readily counteract it. And not because them dislike the song. They actually like the song so much them counteract it. Teachers say, yo, underwater. You see me? And Spice say, yo, under fire. I don't dislike Spice, dislike the Vybz Kartel song. She like it so much she put out a counteraction. She put out the song from a female point of view. That was music one point in time when people were actually creative and never have somebody else write them song for them. So true people write them song for them when somebody see a counteraction. They might not know say yo, it's a form of flattery. They might say, oh yo, so yo them boy no rape my thing. They might try hold you back. One thing I can say, once the teacher mention in enough form of way, it can't be something bad for your career. It can only help you. So sometimes you have to know how to take a critique. You have to know how to do it. You know, jump and cuss and you know throw a tantrum. You just listen to them and say, yes, alright. You can't even go public with your statement. Just know how to do it. Someone not seek sympathy after you say what you say. Because you know dancehall industries like this. We remember say that you did say. And when the time is right, just like Jamil, we will present it to the nation and say, yo, you see him, all we are going to him this. We could have make Chronic Law get the snippet and say, yo, watch it now. Say this about it. But we are saying no. You know what I mean? It's a new day and age. And vloggers have all the info. For all artists. Not trying to hear me talk about some other artists. We have whole heap of info on them. We just choose not to talk about them. You know what I mean? We don't feel the vibe. You can't tell us what to talk about. Because we choose to talk about, Yes, it is very opinionated. But we have the info for everybody. And if we want it, we know if we get it. We in the streets more than these artists. That no man. We don't see we on a day to day more than we want to see artists. Yeah, we in contact with us more than we in contact with artists. We can message you right now. We can send me. You know what I mean? Different ways. Whatever wants a Gmail. Why? But you know you can get to different ways. We in the streets more, we have the info. We are going to present to the fans, say, what you want? Enough of these artists who make statements and make claims. Don't believe them. And them love to talk about people and bad mind them. Don't believe them on that either. Actually, everybody want every artist in a dancehall make it, because at the end of the day, the dancehall it name. At the end of the day, a dancehall it name. So, what I make them tell you about who the fans them bad mind. Fans no bad mind nobody. Fans this any music put out by anybody. Or you think we know what the other opponent I say? As soon as him drop theme song, we go listen to see him here. One dancehall and make them chicken. But it's the one called Jayden Chase viewers and subscribers. You man now move settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until the reason again.